Moderna developed a combination influenza COVID vaccine. The biotechnology pharmaceutical company Moderna became a globally recognized name in 2020 as it got approval for one of the first vaccines against COVID-19. Along with the pharmaceutical giant Pfizer, it signaled a new era of vaccines, whereby an mRNA molecule is injected to elicit an immune response in the host. Unlike Pfizer, which is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical corporations, Moderna's only commercial product as of July 2024 is the COVID vaccine, branded as SpikeVax. Well, if the results of a recently completed Phase 3 clinical trial prove to be robust, the company may have another blockbuster in the pipeline. Moderna announced in June 2024 that the Phase 3 trial of a combination influenza and COVID-19 mRNA-based vaccine had reached its endpoint. The randomized, blinded, active control study tested the effects of the combination vaccine against commonly used single vaccines in two different cohorts. One group of 4,000 people were aged between 50 and 64, and the second group of 4,000 were over 65 years old. These populations are considered to be the most vulnerable to the effects of the diseases. The combination vaccine was found to elicit higher immune responses against influenza virus and SARS-CoV-2 than licensed flu and COVID vaccines. Furthermore, the adverse reactions were mild and consistent with those of the control vaccines. If the combination vaccine is safe and more effective, it may lead to greater vaccine coverage against these common respiratory infections, as it would be more efficient for medical staff to administer. The company has yet to publish the full report, and ultimately getting FDA approval to release it as a commercial product is not expected until at least 2025. However, in June 2024, Moderna also got FDA approval to market a vaccine against respiratory syncytial virus, which was only the third RNA-based vaccine to be approved in all of the FDA history. In addition to the combination vaccine, Moderna has many others in development, including those for cancer. Although it is still the early days, there are signs that the world is on the brink of a revolution in vaccine development.